Hello all, I hope you're all doing well. Today we are making strawberry tiramisu. It's a very easy recipe. So let's get started. Firstly, we need some strawberries. You can take any flavor. I'm taking the strawberry flavor today. Then we'll take some milk for that nice texture. Condensed milk. It gives a nice shine to the overall dessert. Then comes the white yogurt. And then we'll take some cake in the shape of ladyfingers. You can take any shape or size of the cake. I've chosen this one. So now let's move further. Now we will take a grinder and start combining all the ingredients in it. Firstly goes the strawberries, then goes the milk, yogurt, then some condensed milk, and give it a nice mix. Once the mixture is ready, it looks so beautiful. And now let's take a vessel or any plating dish. We'll start making layers. As tiramisu is known for its layers only. Firstly, the layers of the mixture goes, then the cake. Let's start dabbing the cake with a little bit of water so that a nice firm gooey texture comes. Again the layer of mixture, garnishing it with some strawberries. Second layer, we have to repeat the same procedure. You can use any garnish. I'm using strawberries since it is strawberry tiramisu. You can go for dry fruits, nuts of your choice. And here comes the final layer. I have made 3 layers. You can make as many layers as you want. Now the garnishing of strawberry comes, and here is a strawberry tiramisu ready. I hope you all liked the video. Thank you for supporting me and keeping our channel going. Your love and support means a lot to us. Thanks for watching. For more recipes, do watch Cookeasy. This looks so tasty and tempting now.